Today's video, we are taking a closer look at a truly fascinating gemstone, a rare black stone with a mysterious blue shine, a gemstone that combines darkness, power, and elegance in one incredible natural creation. Black gemstones with bluish luster are extremely rare. Unlike normal dark stones, these gems show depth, character, and life inside them. Under light, you can see that beautiful blue sparkle, giving the stone a luxurious and powerful appearance that attracts collectors, jewelers, and gemstone lovers all over the world. Many of these rare black stones are related to natural black diamonds, sometimes called carbonado diamonds. These stones are known for their toughness, unique internal structure, and stunning visual character. They are often used in luxury jewelry and collector pieces because they stand out from traditional white diamonds. Instead of simple sparkle, they carry mystery, strength, and personality. And when we talk about value, rare stones like this can reach truly impressive prices. Around the world, several famous black and blue diamonds have been sold for millions of dollars. For example, one of the world's most famous black diamonds, known as the Enigma diamond, weighing over 500 carats, was sold at Sotheby's auction for millions of dollars. Another legendary gemstone, the Black Orlov diamond, also became world famous and valued at millions because of its rarity and powerful story. And when we move to rare blue diamonds, the value becomes even more incredible. Diamonds like the Hope Diamond and the Oppenheimer Blue reached prices of tens of millions of dollars in the international market. This shows how highly collectors value unique color and rarity. So why do people love stones like this? Because they are not ordinary. They represent rarity, power, and natural beauty. A black gemstone with blue brilliance is more than just a stone, it's a symbol of uniqueness. No two of these stones are exactly alike, and that makes them truly special for luxury buyers in the USA, Canada, and Europe. If you ever come across a stone like this, the best step is always professional testing and certification. Gemological laboratories can confirm authenticity, structure, and value with real scientific methods. That's what serious collectors and jewelers trust. Rare gemstones like this remind us that nature still holds incredible secrets, and sometimes those secrets shine in deep black with a beautiful blue light.